Have you ever wondered how filmmakers capture, surprise moments?
So windy!
And make them look great on film. I'm taking you on an adventure here. From the sunny seaside of La Palma
Smallest splash I've ever seen, dude. No.
to the windy volcanoes.
So bad!
Finding the perfect moments when everything just fits together.
We're going to La Palma to run a volcano. Have you been running?
Not so much.
That's basically what you should expect in terms of a mountain.
Are you serious?
At last year's camp, we learned that sometimes the best parts of a story happens when, we least expect them.
Oh man, Arlen, he's just like, it's like everything is awe and wonder.
Are these sheep?
I don't know.
I mean, I don't think they're goats. I think they're sheep. Very confused. Now you hear that one. Ah!
So far to travel. Oh, this is nice.
Making a great film is like being a detective for those special moments.
Just walking up, checking out the place.
Keep your eyes open for the unexpected. That's where the real magic of storytelling is.
Andre is getting the rental car, and I need to fix some gear.
Sometimes you don't find the story finds you. Let's see how chaos turned into a captivating narrative.
You want to run 10 or 5?
Oh, I'm running 10.
Okay, I think because I will have the car there. So
Yeah, but that's what Luis says that you won't. I'm getting so hungry.
Me too, dude.
Last year's camp in Madeira, our plans to capture training sessions fell apart. Oh, it was so freaking terrible.
Why? No, that's not smart.
Have you ever faced a moment where, everything you planned, it just goes wrong?
We could go back quick to the hotel we
Yeah.
were.
Prefer
is
Yeah.
Yes.
now is good time.
Yeah.
But in that confusion, we found something powerful. Unity.
The thing is, you kind of have to stand your ground.
Yeah, we are.
When you disagree sometimes, in the end, it will be better for everyone. It's not like perfect, the communication, but I think it's part of the family. You have to deal with everything.
How do you as a filmmaker get out of this chaotic situation though? When nobody wants you to film them? That's what terrible planning resulted in last year. Everybody was avoiding us. But in the shared struggles and frustration, we connected with the runners, through a mutual frustration. We realized that we wanted the same thing. And in the simple act of, realizing that, we formed bonds with the runners. This is something that we've continued to build upon throughout the season. As a documentary filmmaker, your job is to become the subject's buddy.
So, we're actually just here waiting for Tim Frericks. And he's probably out running, so we thought we would take a swim.
And this year in La Palma, we moved together like a well-oiled machine. But it didn't start out like that. And it poses a question. How does respect between subjects and filmmakers change the storytelling process? Some might think that it creates a soft story, where, you're not daring enough, to push them, the subjects, and to ask them the hard questions. But that's not what I'm talking about. That's also your job, but to do that, you gotta earn their trust first.
All right.
Friends, they can actually ask each other deep stuff. So let me know how you handle these things in the comments. Every athlete brings their set of challenges to the table. From injuries to personal tribulations, there are stories in all of that. And in Madeira, a day without enough food and water tested our patience. The story was, interesting. It showed how the team was getting to know each other and their lowest moments became a chance for growth. They actually bonded in that frustration, and capturing that showed us this rather than talking about it or explaining it in an interview. So we used these struggles to show their dedication and their strengths as a team.
Last year in Madeira, everyone was kind of meeting for the first time, or we didn't know each other. It was a little bit like, okay.
Well, the other car was at the parking lot, right?
Yeah.
No? Oh, I thought the other car was at the parking lot.
This training camp presented us with a clean slate. But how do you ensure that the past mistakes from Madeira don't dictate the future?
Oh.
Yeah. No, that was how we said first, like 5.
Yeah.
But then,
Well, then I guess.
We had a new plan, and filmmaking all of a sudden became easy. It let us capture the teamwork and the dedication.
Yeah, they said go to the islands. They said it'll be fun. It'll be nice weather.
If we get in the pool, it will be less wet.
That was so sad. That was the smallest splash I've ever seen, dude. No.
But a story needs conflict. So when things are too good, you gotta find the chaos.
I don't know if this was a good idea.
You need to take the viewer on a journey with a big goal. All of these come from personal stories.
I guess this is only the beginning.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Do you think they will run through this, or do you think they will turn around?
I want to take the viewers into their running world so that they can, experience this like they're there running with them.
Maybe they think we would be better on the other side or something. Yeah.
For this camp in La Palma, the weather was unpredictable. It threw us into the storm, literally.
There's so much wind!
The unstable conditions and rough terrain, it tested our limits. But it also showed the raw beauty and the nature that we appreciate. And as filmmakers, we gotta adapt to, this unpredictability while ensuring some safety.
Check this out. Gotta refuel.
But I think you gotta put yourself, into this action. As I climbed those mountains, with cameras all over my body.
So this is my setup. This is my bag. I run with the running vest. I got the Pocket 4K. And for this, I'm gonna try to have a big lens, 70 to 300, with this dead dumb adapter. So this is actually like a 600-ish lens, I think. And then I have the loop, then I have the gimbal, and then I'm filming you or me, whatever I'm filming this on the Pocket 4K and the iPhone, so the iPhone is shooting me now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get the lens on and test this out to see what kind of shots I'm getting.
You take this world in a different way.
Super cold, but a nice spot.
And you experience the scenes and the images that you want to capture. You see it more clearly. As you experience it, you are on the volcanoes. And you run up Just 30 minutes after leaving the hotel, you experience the storm. This is where you find your angles. Like, you're living it, and to survive that, you gotta research what you need for every shoot. You don't want to climb up to 2,900 meters and then get stuck waiting for the runners for 2 hours in a storm without a jacket or a banana, just because you were dumb enough not to research.
It's a bit nerve-wracking to just wait, because you know you might miss the shot.
Research is how you make it possible to capture the best story. It's what shows these challenges, or allows them to be shown, and they give the audience a deeper experience of the story world. Running through a storm in La Palma, we shared moments that words can't really capture, but you need to imagine how these shared experiences that make an impact on you can become a great story. Being part of this world, it helps you to see that, and it, shows the truth and feelings that people experience. I want to show that the daily grind prepares athletes for the race unpredictabilities. And we focused on this relentless dedication to inspire other runners to dare more.
I switched place. I was right here before, but I thought that they're gonna run from there. I feel like the setup would be so tight that I moved, because now I might get another shot.
La Palma's rugged beauty demanded more than just a camera. It required creativity. I had to keep up with the athletes in their prime, battling the nature.
The volcano took my second pair of glasses.
No, it did?
Ripped it straight from my head.
I feel like you're in good shape.
Nah.
No?
Nah. I'm fine now. I'm fine. Feels good to stretch the legs.
Yeah.
After yesterday taking off.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. I gotta go back to get the other ones, but I thought I'd get a little bit of view before.
Nice.
How far behind you are they?
I think they're right there.
Okay, I'll go back then.
Yeah.
See you soon.
From running shots on top of the volcanoes to e-bike shots in rugged terrain, our techniques has evolved throughout this project. And the secret to capturing this environment and story, it lies in the pursuit of capturing the perfect moment. Every frame, I try to tell a story of perseverance and passion. As we go into this season, I want to tell stories that leave a lasting impact. And the main challenge is to keep innovating and inspiring, because it's hard when you're following the same characters, but you're putting out several new films each time. So you gotta innovate the stories, and the races are good to find, a new narrative angle or structure, but we still seek unique angles for all these films. So you gotta push yourself to do that. And it's an ongoing documentary series, so it's challenging. Something that I hope to be doing for a long time though. And if you want to learn more about storytelling, then check out my Hero's Journey cheat sheet. It's free and it will help you tell a better story. You can download it at learndocumentary.com/dochero. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below what you think. What are your challenges working with brands or telling stories? I want to know. See ya.